Hey future coders, welcome back to Skilled Techs. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most in-demand programming languages in 2025, based on hiring trends, real-world applications, and career opportunities. Let's jump in. Number 1 on the list is JavaScript. JavaScript runs the web. It powers interactive websites and full-stack apps, using frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js. Whether front-end or back-end, JavaScript is a must for web developers. Going on number 2 is Python. Python dominates in AI, machine learning, data science, and automation. It's easy to learn and packed with powerful libraries like TensorFlow, Pandas, and NumPy. From beginners to experts, Python remains a top pick. Before we go further, if you're enjoying this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. At Skilled Techs, we bring you tips, tutorials, and updates to keep you ahead in tech. Let's grow together. Next on the list is Java. Java is still a powerhouse in enterprise development and Android apps. It's used by major banks, telecoms, and large companies for building reliable, scalable systems. Java isn't going anywhere. Following on the list is C#. C# is perfect for game development, with Unity, desktop applications, and web tools via the .NET platform. It's strong, flexible, and backed by Microsoft, making it a smart language to master. The 5th among the top 5 programming languages is Golang, also known as Go. Go is designed for performance and simplicity. Created by Google, it's great for back-end services, APIs, and cloud platforms. With rising demand in DevOps and microservices, Go is a future-forward language. That's a wrap on the top 5 most in-demand programming languages in 2025. Which one are you focusing on this year? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update from Skilled Techs. Catch you in the next video.